Medical malpractice cases are certainly a great challenge for any lawyer. You're dealing with the language of medicine. And as a lawyer, you have to be able to study and to understand the medicine in order to be able to effectively represent your client and achieve a recovery. So each case that comes in presents a unique challenge. It's an opportunity for myself and the lawyers that I work with to really dig in, to understand the medicine, and to consult with the leading experts in that field of medicine. We work with them so that not only will they educate us on the important issues in the case, but that we can effectively use that knowledge and understanding to advocate for the victim of malpractice.
Many of us did defense work early in our careers. We represented hospitals, we represented physicians, so we understand that side of it. And then over time, we decided that what we wanted to do, what was our passion, was to represent the injured people. And the medical issues are all across the board. There's emergency room cases, there's botched surgery cases, there's failure to diagnose cases.
There's maternal fetal cases involving infants. There's infection cases, there's hernia cases, there's cardiac cases, there's pediatric cases, and they really run the gamut.
And each one has its own set of facts, and you gotta really roll up your sleeves and really dig into the medicine so that you're fully prepared.
When I first started, we used to see a lot of pulmonary embolism cases, and those cases are devastating because if you have a pulmonary embolism, you can die instantaneously. And I think there was a period where the medical field started to get educated and were really aware to work a person up. Sadly, I've seen more pulmonary embolism cases, so they seem to be coming back. I've had cases where people have had a sponge left inside of them. Someone had a scalpel left inside their knee. You see all sorts of interesting cases, but I really love the medicine because each case is different. Each case sometimes requires different specialty. So you get to sort of be not a jack of all trades, but you get to master different areas of medicine and know a little bit about everything.
It is critical in all of these cases that your client provide you, particularly in a malpractice case, that you need to know everything, and I mean everything about their medical history. You need to go back through years and years and years of treatment, of records, and you need them to tell you what doctors they have seen and for what reasons, any tests, objective studies that have been done, because if you don't have that information, then there's a potential that the defense may get that information somehow and you don't have it, and that's not good when you're in a trial. So it's critical that your client provide you with all of the names of doctors and give you an adequate history or story concerning what happened to them. But I can tell you that the insurance companies that insure physicians in this state definitely know who we are and how we handle our cases, and that we're aggressive in approaching them.